Hi everyone, this is Rocket Child and welcome. On my channel I usually record speed drawing videos and art tutorials, and today I thought I'd show you how to do some easy screen recording in case you want to try doing speed drawing videos yourself. I'm using QuickTime, which is a free software available on Mac and Windows, and it's very easy to use. So let's go and have a look. So here I have my MacBook Pro. I have my computer set up as if I was going to do a drawing. So this is my software, which is Photoshop. QuickTime Player is a free software, so even if it's not already installed on your computer, you can just Google it and download it for free. Usually it's sort of like a movie viewing program. So I have QuickTime open, and I'm going to go to the top menu bar up here and click on File, New Screen Recording. So it gives you an option that you could crop the screen to a specific size if you want, or you can record the entire screen and everything you see on it. So this one says capture entire screen, capture selected window, capture a selected portion, record the entire screen, or record a selected portion. So I'm just going to click record entire screen. Then I'm going to click the record button. And what happens is, if we go to the top of the screen, you're going to have this little record button. That means that everything you see is going to be recorded. So I've clicked back onto my Photoshop file, and I'm just going to do a test. Now I go back into QuickTime and press the stop button at the top of the screen, which is up here. And now it's created an entire video file of what I just did. Test. So this was very quick, obviously, because it is a test. It took me about a minute, and so that's how long my video file will be when I save it. However, I often take a couple of hours to do some drawings, and when I want to make a video, I want to make it shorter. So what I would usually do is go back. I'm using Mac, so iMovie is the free video software. You'll get an option to create a new project, and so going back to the screen recording we just did, we import the media and put it in the timeline. So you have the option to cut things. What I like to do is go up to this button which says speed, and you have the option of speeding it up by different percentages like this. So if you are interested in getting started creating speed drawing videos, this is an easy way to do it without having to buy software to do your screen recording. I've been creating speed drawing videos for a while now and has since upgraded my programs so that my videos look a bit more unique and match my style. I'll show some examples on the screen so you can see what I mean. Once you get the hang of making videos, I'd suggest using Adobe Creative Suite because the programs are all compatible and you have a lot more features to work with. Anyway, this has been a very short video. Hopefully it helps you and you can play around. You don't have to record your art only. You can record any process that you're doing on the computer screen that you want to show other people, such as if you're a teacher and you're doing work from home and teaching students, you could still use QuickTime to make little videos and movies and even record yourself if you connect the webcam and such. If you're interested in seeing any of my speed drawing videos or art tutorials, please check out my channel and subscribe to see more updates in the future. Anyway, thanks and bye.